Have an Allison 3000 series automatic transmission in the shop. When you would turn the ignition switch on, you would get the stars and then what's known as the cat eyes, and wouldn't go into neutral and wouldn't start. What we found is putting the transmission control module into the freezer. Now when you turn the ignition on, it shows neutral in the display. Truck starts. Goes in and out of gear, no problem. Our check translate is off. We have no more wrench in between the gear indicator. No check trans. Engine revs. Operates as normal. But before, it wouldn't start and would not go into neutral. Put the TCM into the freezer and plugged it back into the truck. Truck started right up and operates normal. We're gonna wait and see what happens when the TCM gets warm again and see what happens. Thought we would share. Thank you.